Welcome to episode 3 of AI Simplified with iauro. In this episode, we'll look at small language models, or SLMs. Unlike LLMs, they don't try to know everything. They're built for specific jobs. Let's see why that matters. Think of an SLM as a pocket guide, trained for a narrow role. It's faster, lighter, and cheaper than an LLM.
Industry examples. In banking, SLMs help managers with instant compliance answers.
In HR, they answer employee questions about leave policies or benefits.
In manufacturing, they guide technicians step by step to fix machines.
The benefits of SLM? Precision, cost savings, and efficiency.
SLMs make AI practical for everyday business needs.
without requiring huge computing power.
So that's SLMs, pocket guides that deliver fast, focused, and cost-efficient answers.
This was episode 3 of AI Simplified with iauro. If you found it useful, follow iauro for more simple, clear explainers on AI and its impact on business.